Okay, now we are gonna see about identification of fake product using blockchain technology. So in this topic, what they have been given is how you are going to be identify fake products using the blockchain technology, how you are going to implement that blockchain technology inside that process. So first is we are going to see about how the products you are going to be add and what are all the information you are being. For example, if it's an electronic product means example I take as a laptop. So as a Dell laptop or any HP or anything XYZ, you are going to be taking as in the format of laptop format. You are going to be giving that is in the manufacturer side. They have been uploading that is information. With that information, they have been giving number for that process as well as code for that process, as well as they are providing that description for that particular data for the manufacturer and encrypting the information at the time of submission process as in the format of blockchain, and you are going to be making one QR code for that particular product. With this way, retailer can get the data from the manufacturer and the customer can buy. That means at that buying time, before that he can verify through the QR code whether the QR code has been of the manufacturer and retailer are same or not. If the verification has been same means it will show that product is not a fake. If not, if the QR code is not been matched means the product will be fake, so that user can know that it's a fake product, it's not from the manufacturer.